Okay. Char. Welcome to Gandhi Maidan. Every beautiful, behind every beautiful, there were different kinds of situations. Whenever you see a mela, in that situation, they maintain in their well situation. They are saying beautiful. But if you see the right now, that mela, that become the part of kachara. So that is the truth. I think that is the truth of life. When you want to show yourself, to add different kinds of things in a situation, then your life's in beautiful. Like you wear your shirts, pants, you wear your accessories like watch, and I wear. After that, you see in a professional life, because people see you in a wear, in a different kinds of. They didn't see your this kinds of parts, in which you have different kinds of situations. You think you are suffering from different kinds of things, just like this. Whenever you see this mela, before the today and yesterday, that time you will have to pay some rupees to see these beautiful places, because we respect only beautiful things. Whatever anything is beautiful, that is seen by our eyes, then we give more respect, we got attract to them, and we want to do anything to feel like we have something. Just like it doesn't matter what we have inside us, it's matter that what's the world seen in us. We believe on that. A person, they're suffering from different kinds of issues. They have their bad mental state. They got lots of times they achieve failure. Some people's not want to try because they think that if they try then they got fail, then people laughing on them. Just like me. Right now I am more hesitate to speak in front of any people. Whenever I seen the eyes of other people, then I think I'd seen my all bad quality in their eyes. Due to that, we don't want to speak in front of people, because we think that people know what we have no good ability to speak. We are not a good communicator, so we don't want to speak. I know which kinds of situation inside me right now, because there was lots of people who look at me. If I walk silently, then it's okay. Then we haven't do something. But whenever we speak, just we have to think different kinds of situations. Like you have to observe your body language. Okay, if someone's say wrong, someone's absorbed in your body and you speak themselves in front, like these people are play cricket. Okay, there was three things. One is the bat, other things ball, and third is the man and the wicket. So different kinds of situations, but I have no ability to speak in front of him, because whenever I speak to speak what's going on, bro? There was lots of problem. First problem is that my English is not very well. Yeah, we are doing in childhood. My English is not very well. And other things is that we don't want to judge by other people, because we think if we don't speak very well, then some people judge me. They say that we have no way to speak. If you see the structure right now, some kinds of making situation is going on in Gandhi Maidan. So I think any leader want to become in Gandhi Maidan. Yeah, other different kinds of things happening, just like any function. What is? Oh, okay, 15 August. Yeah, I got it. Just like चढ़ सकते हैं. वाह, इस पे चढ़ते ना मज़ा आ जाता. लेकिन what is the lighting system? So I want to capture the Gandhiji. Actually, this sun is disturbing to me. Wow. Just I want to capture the figure which is related to Gandhiji, that is called Champaran Satyagraha, and some information about this. Like इस पैनल में गांधी जी चंपारण की जनता को संबोधित करते दिखाए गए हैं अहिंसात्मक तरीके से, बिना खून खराबे के निर्दोष साहबों और जमींदारों, खेत मालिकों के खिलाफ संघर्ष करने के साथ उनकी अपनी कमजोरियां, अशिक्षा और अंधविश्वास से छुटकारा पाने के लिए स्वस्थ एवं सुधरी जिंदगी की ओर सलाह दी गई. Wow, I don't know. Yeah, there is a beautiful picture like चरखा खादी and स्वावलंबन की प्रतीक, स्वतंत्रता संग्राम की वर्दी. Oh, actually I want to attend a internship program, so just I want to capture some video related to Gandhiji, because in Gandhi Maidan, Gandhi Maidan, the name of Gandhi Maidan is created to Gandhiji. And wow, what's a green plants. So if you have seen this, yeah, ये छूट गया था. And this is the beautiful picture of Gandhiji. Okay, I just captured this picture from a far distance. Wow, what a beautiful place. Some people is enjoying in this place, and just I want to capture the beautiful wow place. A big oh, it seems when I am standing. मेरा जीवन ही मेरा संदेश है. wow. So ब्लॉग बनाते हैं गाइज. दिस इज द नाइट व्यू ऑफ पटना. यार गांधी मैदान. बोलना चाहिए सर।
सही है, यहाँ पे ठीक है लेकिन हिल गया यार फ़ोन।
हम्म।
कैसे हिल गया?
डू यू वांट टू से समथिंग अबाउट गांधी मैदान?
नहीं कहीं गाली मजाक के बारे में, 2 साल से मर रहा हूँ गाली मजाक। मुझे मन तो कर रहा है शर्ट निकाल करके कर ले।
निकाल लीजिए। Every people has their own dreams and they do effort to fulfill their dreams. But
That's not great. That's great, bro.
those people are running. They have also dream to become a daroga and other. They want to join in other forces. Some people doing oh. What your dream, sir? Priyansu sir.
कोई भी एक गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल जाए, कोई भी, रद्दी से लेकर कोई भी अच्छा हो जाए।
Okay. And which kinds of quality you want in your wife? Yeah, in your girlfriend.
अभी जस्ट 2 वीक हुआ है बस ब्रेकअप
Just topic बनते हुए.
हुए ब्रेकअप 3 साल।
Oh, you saw in the last week, I think. आपने देखा था ना फोटो वहाँ?
हाँ
तब था.
हाँ,
इधर ब्रेकअप हुआ.
सावन का पहला दिन।
Oh my God, so sad. What's your feeling, sir?
फीलिंग क्या ब्रो, जो किस्मत में है होता है। मैं ऑल मैटर करता हूँ, मतलब सब कुछ छोड़ा रहता हूँ। किस कर्मा, जितना तुम्हारा अच्छा कर्मा है वो मैटर करता है।
Okay. कुछ ज्ञान की बात देना चाहेंगे?
भाई खुद को ज्ञान की जरूरत है अभी, ज्ञान की बातें क्या है? मतलब ये बन गया ऐसे घूमे नहीं इसमें।
Do you think people has to make girlfriend just like me?
Yeah, bro, because sometimes girlfriend is most qualifier than
They give they give support to you as emotionally and mentally,
only not emotionally, bro.
physically.
She helps me in education, in financial, every situation, bro.
Yeah.
Also in giving me good suggestion.
To make girlfriend.
No. Give suggestion to outcome of every big problem, every an issue that
Okay.
we cannot solve. So, no, actually I. There is the topic of part.
Okay. I think, but in your relationship you learn something.
Yeah.
If you want to deliver something about relationship, then you give. I think that's
One most important line, bro.
what.
जब तुमसे जितना खींचा जा रहा है बस उतना ही खींचो, उसके बाद छोड़ो।
एक शायरी भी था इस पे कि मतलब कुछ था इसमें बहुत अच्छा कि जब ओ यार भूल गए।
मेरा रिलेशन तो मेरे को यही एडवाइस दिया, बेटा तुम टाइम रहते पढ़ाई नहीं किए, बस टाइम रहते पढ़ाई किए तो तभी तक जॉब नहीं।
अगर अभी जॉब होती तो नहीं छोड़ के जाती।
मतलब उसकी फैमिली वाली शादी करती है,
ओके।
मैं अभी लड़ नहीं सकता, बस कोई यही ना टॉपिक।
I think that's why this is the very problem. Okay.